Namaste, this is Shardul Singh. I welcome you all to Tutorial Factory. This is day 2 of becoming an Unreal Engine developer. I have decided what I am going to cover in next few weeks, and I just wanted to share all that with you all. So let's dive in. So this is the first thing which I will cover. I think this course I have already completed once, but just to it's been a long time since I finished this, so I just wanted to do it again. So this is a 12-hour course, and because I did it last time, the teacher is very good and he explains it very properly. This is for all the beginners of C++. If anyone wants to do it, they can definitely go with this course. So I'll be starting with this and this course. This is also a C++ course, so I'm thinking of covering both the things. Because I've done few hours of this course also, so this is a bit different than this course. So both the things, I think the YouTube course has much more practical knowledge, so that's why I've decided to cover both these things. So I think after finishing these 20 hours, 12 hours these and 12 hours these, so 24 hours, once I finish them, I think I'll have a pretty good basic knowledge of C++ at least. I think I'll be able to do some work in Unreal Engine, I guess, with this much knowledge. But other than learning C++, I also want to learn something inside Unreal Engine. So I have found out some courses on Udemy itself. That is, one is this Unreal Engine 5. So this is only a 4.5-hour course, which will be, I think, pretty easy to do. And then this is a 15-hour course which has more than one games which you will create if you do the course. So these are the basic courses which I can do it inside Unreal Engine. These are basic courses which will give me the basic knowledge of C++. And after covering all these things, I've found out two courses. One is this multiplayer survival, and second is this Unreal Engine 5 C++ multiplayer shooter. So in these two games, it is a bit more advanced, so that's why I'm not starting it right away. I'm covering the basics first and then I'll go for the advanced one. So this is my syllabus. I hope I'll be able to do it under a timeline, and I'll keep updating. Thank you so much for watching.